Welcome back, folks. Tom here from TNT Fishing. I hope you're all doing well. Hope your fishing has been better than mine recently. Today's video, we are going to hopefully do a multi-species, multi-venue episode. We're going to hit the canal this morning first at quite a city centre location. Try and catch some perch. Then we're going to go to a more rural location in a bit. Hopefully catch some pike. And then we're going to jump onto the river later on and hopefully bag a trout. I don't know if we'll do it, but we'll give it a bash and we'll see. Fishing recently has been mega difficult. It's that time of year where you don't know what the fish want. It's just been so hard to get proper continuous footage of a good trip. I have got footage. I'm going to pull some of that into this video and space it out a little bit, just in case we don't catch a fish today. Let's get to it. Let's hit the first spot. Let's see how we go. Right, let's just have a quick look at the setups that we're taking out today. Yeah, so we're at the first spot, the perch spot. So we've set the light rod up with a drop shot rig. And let me just quickly show you this. So you've got their drop shot hook with like a drop shot knot, and then this is just a little Savage Gear craw. I've caught on the drop shot with this quite a few times. Not this colour, but the water's quite murky, so we're going to go with this colour. This is my ultralight setup. SG4, 3 to 10 gram rod, 2500 reel, and it's paired with, I think it's 10 pound braid and 8 pound fluoro. So that's the light setup. This is the medium setup that we've got today. It's 12 to 35 gram rod. Putting ultra bright lures on because these are working for us at the moment. And yeah, let's go. First spot is this lovely little bridge spot. I'm just going to try and fish this for a bit and see if there's anything in the margins. It's a bit windy under this tunnel, so I begin to A couple of weeks ago we went sea fishing and we went to catch some pollock and hopefully some bass, but we didn't catch any bass. Caught loads of pollock though. So let's have a quick look at the pollock off the ledge. It's not the sign you want to see. Beware of adders, venomous snakes, see? This is proper beautiful and tranquil, this, man. Oh, yes, yes. Whoa, that's a good one. Whoa, that is a good one. That's a fighter. We are on it. That were a good hit. What is it? Could be a big pollock, this. Ah, it's another one. Pretty much the same size. Oh, a good hit though. There must be a bigger one down there somewhere. Nice little pollock. Second one of the day. Let's keep going. We found a sweet spot. Be nice to get a big bass swimming through, wouldn't it? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. What is this one? What is it? Oh, it's got a bit of pull to it. Oh yeah. Is it another pollock? Yeah. Strong on this one. Oh. Look at him. Nice big one. Let's get him back. So yeah, catching them pollock is fantastic fun. Casting out, pulling up with a jig, letting it drop, a couple of reels, letting it drop, boom. Good run that, and it was great fun. Shame I didn't catch a bass, but great fun. Right, back to perch fishing.
It's so special, all it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
Well, so far, not very good. We've tried the drop shot. We've changed up lures now, so we've got a little roach on. We've just put a little craft bleak shad on, just to explore the water column a little bit more. But we're going to make our way back down from this first stretch now, back to the car, and then we're going to head to another spot and see how we get on there. So, let's go. Oh, here's a couple of pike that I caught the other day. Come back. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh, this is a good fish. This is a good fish. This is a good fish. Oh, what is it? I think it's a pike. If it isn't a pike, it's a big perch. Yay! Oi! smash that. Look at him. Just a short video. Stunning little fish. We'll not keep him out, we'll get him back. A couple of pictures. Go on. And he's off into the depths. Right folks, we are now at venue number 2. This is a much more rural location. It's quite overcast now, so I think we'll have a good chance of catching something. Pike probably, but we'll see how we get on. We've got a couple of locks, so some features. Like I said before, I think it's a bit early and a bit late in the day now for the perch, but we'll see how we get on. We're going to take both rods, pike and perch, because we didn't catch any perch and we didn't catch any pike at the first venue. Let's go. Oh, yep. What is this? Oh, it's the tiniest little jack pike ever. Alright. Oh, a good little hit. It's gonna come off. And he's off. Well, we've had our first little hook up. Came off though, it's because I was messing about with him too much in the water. I went to lift him out and then he just came off. Right, I'm just going to try a little bit of top water because really have a bow wave. Oh mate. Oh my god, that was so awesome. Absolute bow wave coming after that, man. That was so fun. I don't know what it was though. That was absolute class. When it popped out, I was like, I had no idea what that was. Well, we've reached the end of destination 2 and we're going to start walking back now. We've not caught anything. We've had a couple of top water misses and a tiny little jack pike that came off. So yeah, so far it's been a tough day. We'll make our way back and then we'll try, hopefully we've got enough time to get to venue 3 and see if we can catch a trout, but we'll see. Just on that note, here's some more pike. Oh yeah. Oh, we're on. I think it's just a little jack pike. Yes, it is. Whoa. Just landed another little jack pike on the teeth tail, you know. Oh, he's a feisty one. Come on, he's making me jump. There we go. Stunning little fish. Oh, yeah. Got ya. Walloped that, didn't you, buddy? Come on, back you go. That is proper. You have engulfed that, mate, haven't you? Come on. There we go. Oh, he's a good one. Look at him, he's long. Must be about 50 centimetres. Good fish. Oh, let's get him back in. Oh. Right, we've just made it to a spot that looks very trouty. We're going to give it a whirl. It's very late now. Prime bite time, but I think we made it just in time to maybe actually catch a fish today. So let's see. I just need to see if we can get down to the river. There's a path alongside it, but a rather nice big drop from the wall. Let's have a look. We have a little path that we can climb onto. This looks very trouty. Let's have a look. have a look at this guy then. What a cracking fish. Good hit. Stunning, stunning brown trout. Look at him. Smash the sticklebait twitch. End of the day fish, come on. There you go, buddy. Yes! That's it, guys. I'm afraid we've exhausted our options for where we are and for the time we've got left in the day. So we set out today on a 3-venue, multi-venue trip, trying to catch pike, perch and trout. We hooked a pike, it came off. We caught a trout, which was nice, but we didn't catch a perch. So to finish, here's a perch that I caught the other day. Oh, we're on. Oh. Look at that. There we go. First one. Get him. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, thanks for subscribing. Content's hard this time of year for fishing. For me anyway, might not be for the experts out there, but keep watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.